and put it on the shot glass. Wow. Next up yung mga kabunso. Exam. Good evening mga kabunso and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mga kabunso, my name is Edwin Diego and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, good evening. For tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make blue Kamikaze shots. So mga kabunso, for the blue Kamikaze shots, you need this vodka and blue curacao and lemon juice fresh, and of course by sugar and my jigger. So mga kamuso, let's start for blue Kamikaze shots. So mga kamuso, first vodka, 1 shot of vodka, 30 ml of vodka, 30 ml of vodka, and 15 ml of blue curacao, 15 ml, 15 ml of blue curacao, and of course lemon juice, 5 ml of lemon juice, lemon crush, and put some ice. And shake it, baby. Alright, kamusta mga kabutso? And put it on the shot glass. Wow. Next up yung mga kabunso. Exam. So mga kabunso, your shots is ready. So mga kabunso, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And of course, don't forget to share to all your friends, and don't forget, my name is Edwin Diego, and cheers mga kabunso. Wow. Thank you very much for watching.